What's the meaning of convergent? Convergent. Convergent.
Convergent. Convergent. The term convergent refers to something that comes together or meets at a common point or goal. In mathematics, it refers to a sequence that approaches a specific limit as its terms increase towards infinity. In a broader sense, the term can be used to describe a process in which different ideas, thoughts, or trends come together to form a consensus or agreement. Essentially, convergent means to approach a common endpoint, whether it's in a mathematical sense or a conceptual one.